Hey, it's Sammy on November 14th. We took 9 trades today for 251 points. 7 were winners, 2 were break-evens. Let's take a look at how everything played out. All right, this is our first trade. We are only trading short time frame data right here. So we're just going to be taking small local moves. We are breaking back down into the deviation band, this green line right here, and this 76.4 Fibonacci. We're going to go ahead and lock in 32 points on this trade. All right, so we are on the minute chart here. Now you can see we've got multiple time frames. We've got the minute and the 5-minute chart. We are breaking bull support and we have volatility breaks. Our momentum is shifting quickly on these 2 lower time frames. We're in this trade short. Now the 15-minute data kicked in and we're going to go ahead and lock in 41 points right at the 61.8 Fibonacci level. You can see we broke the trend line and we are heading back up here. We're above the 200 moving average and we are aiming to go up to that deviation band. Now, we only had high time frame data, no low time frame data to work with, so this trade is going to turn into a break even. This is really what we were looking for, was the short move. The long move was a false move. We were actually in a short trend. We were trading basically a pullback. We could have locked in probably 25 points on that last move, but now the data is lining up to the short side. This is what we're looking for. We're taking what's called a floor trade and we're going to go ahead and lock in 47 points. Now we're hitting our sell zone. You can see this orange line right here. This is where things are going to start cranking down short. We're getting alignment across our data. Now we're hitting this yellow area right here. This line is called deviation. Deviation 2, actually. We should have locked in here, but we didn't, and we got a break-even set, so we're going to get hit with a +2 break-even. Break-evens are a good thing because this is the real move. The data is kicking in. We're still at that sell zone trying to work our way down to that TP1 area. Here we are testing deviation 2 again. Let's punch through. We've got plenty of data in our favor. We actually had a 30-minute chart kicked in with -232. That's our threshold for extreme excess data to the short side. This trade popped and hits our take profit here. We're going to lock in 49 points on this beast. Now you can see how all of that data that was going short down there to TP1, it has decayed and we broke a trend line. It was tapped like 3-4 times. So we're taking out the previous highs with new highs. All I'm trying to do here with just short time frame data is we're going up to test yesterday's closing price. And we locked 22 points on that trade. All right, you can see we went back up there to that line, that orange line, and we're selling off through the sell zone again down to support. I just got back from the gym. This is going to be a really quick trade here. With all that data, we're jamming down. We're hitting our take profit, 33 points on this trade. Now we can see that we've got all the sentiment in the middle there, 2 volatility breaks. The high time frames are cycling data and we're dropping on the 15, 5, and 1-minute chart back down to short one more time. And we're closing out with 27 points on this trade.